Hello everybody and welcome back yet again to another daily update video. My name is CryptoStash, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having an amazing week. Currently it is Tuesday and let's get straight into the charts. As you can see, Bitcoin is right now bouncing from the macro 786 level that I have here, which is basically also this low. As you can see, I did have drawn this order block basically the whole time since price was trading right here, and as you can see right now price did drop down towards this level. And yesterday in my video I was talking about that potentially after breaking down from this bear flag, it is very possible for price to struggle a bit basically to continue higher, but we are also hitting a macro value area low. And we did held this level right here pretty nice. Bitcoin still keeping this bullish structure of higher highs, as you can see right here. Basically we have higher high, higher low, and right now we did print another higher low right here, as you can see. So this is potentially bullish for price in the short term. We might actually go back and retest on the weekly the 50 EMA, which would be another 10% move towards the upside. Basically we are still right now in the middle of December, so it is very possible that we still get another few basically towards half of the monthly candle like we had back here in April. As you can see, we did feel this monthly candle with a wick basically towards the half, and right now if you look closely we have not filled even the half, just a little bit of the monthly candle has been filled. And so if we measure the half, basically this will be around 100k, basically 98 to 100k zone might be hit by the end of December. And again, yesterday in my video I was talking about how low can price go, but as you can see right now, since we are holding this very key support, in my opinion price might get finally this relief that everybody is waiting for. Even if we break above the $94,000 region, as I said, I'm not expecting new all-time highs. I am expecting somewhat of a relief basically until 99 to 100k. This is also a very strong psychological level for the market makers, as you know. And also the stock market, as you can see on the daily and on the weekly, is starting to have a correction. And if the stock market drops a little bit basically towards the 100 EMA right here and finds support and starts basically going up again slowly, then this would also help Bitcoin in this short-term rally. But this is exactly what I am telling you guys. I am expecting for this price to hold basically at least in the next couple of weeks. I don't think we are going to be breaking lower. We might get a liquidation week, but then I do expect to for price to recover. As of right now, as you can see, this pump that we are having basically throughout this move to the upside, we are trading above the VWAP, and we are also having open interest come down, as you can see. So basically this pump, in my opinion, is short positions taking profit, as there are no new positions coming into the market. This basically means that the short positions basically from here or from higher prices are taking profit and price is pushing towards the upside. Also, as you can see, we do have a lot of late shorts right here that have not yet taken profit, and price, the market makers, the smart money would want to squeeze them basically. As you can see, we did not grab the liquidity down towards 83k, which is where I did expect basically down to 80k, the deeper retracement, and we maybe hold this level. But as you can see, as of right now, Bitcoin is still holding structure. So it is very possible what I said for to play out. Of course, this is not a financial advice. Always do your own research. Fear and Greed Index right now sitting at 22. As I said, if we don't drop again, basically we are going to remain in that fear zone and maybe even go back towards that neutral. ETF inflows as of yesterday, BlackRock did not buy any Bitcoin, but the other institutions did make quite a bit of a big sell-off. As you can see, quite a big red day, 357 million of ETF outflows. Along with the shorts ratio, as you can see, we still have more sellers in the market. Funding rates still remaining actually on the most of the exchanges, as you can see, starting to flip negative again. And we did have the US unemployment rates for today. As you can see, they are actually higher. They are higher for the first time since 2021. They have been just as high as back then. So of course, this might give us somewhat of a relief for Bitcoin. And I think this covers it for today's update video, guys. I hope you liked it, and I'll see you again in the next one. Bye.